Hello, this is Jackie Aronser, and I want to tell you about the year-end tax update that will be brought to you by the tax faculty. And as always, the year-end tax update has a comprehensive coverage of all of the main tax amendments that have taken place during the course of 2021. You can see on the screen there some of the main amendments that we'll be covering this year. These are the amendments that are being made to the tax legislation following the budget speech announcements back in February of 2021. And as a result of that, we have seen the tax legislation being adapted. The amendments have been put together. They've gone through a public consultation process, and we will then be bringing you up to speed on what the latest amendments are. So we'll be going through various amendments, including those that you see on the screen there. Then I will also be covering recent tax case judgments, the important judgments that have come through the Supreme Court of Appeal and the High Court that give us guidance on tax interpretation of tax provisions, and the issues that taxpayers have been dealing with. And then I will also be covering SARS rulings and recent interpretation notes, any amendments to interpretation notes, and so on. Any other changes that take place between now and the 22nd of November, which is when this webinar is taking place. So this is a 4-hour webinar running from 9 o'clock in the morning until 1 o'clock. We will take a couple of breaks during the morning, but it promises to be full of very valuable information. And if you are a tax practitioner or a business person, anybody who's involved in tax legislation and the application of tax legislation in your businesses or even in your personal affairs, you can't afford to miss this webinar. So join me on 22nd of November. I look forward to seeing you there.